This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nikki Harmon. Corkscrew Estates. A peaceful and private gated community of just 59 estate homesites. See the Pulte Homes difference with innovative floor plans and personalization, each home sitting on close to an acre lot, providing a serene and peaceful place to call home. I hope you enjoy this tour of Pulte's Oakley model, which is the first to be built in Corkscrew Estates. Please contact me for more information on this gorgeous new development. For more information, review the details below or contact Nikki Harmon at 239-989-4919.